How to see blocked people on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see blocked people on Gmail. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Gmail app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on manage your Google account. And now here, once you're inside the Google account section, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as people and sharing. And now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as blocked. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll be able to see all the people that you have blocked on Gmail. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.